The job profile section in a job record and tracker is an area where you can find more details about this job. The first field you'll see is job description. Here's where you want to enter your candidate facing job description. This area here does have potential to be saved onto an email, so you can send this out to your candidates that are interested in the position you have open. Another thing this field does is after you've entered the job description and saved the record, it will be pasted into the job posting area where you can format it and then post this out to your website. So you'll always want to make sure that this area here is filled out grammatically correct and anything that you would want a candidate to see. The next section is our strategy commentary area. This is a place where you can put internal notes about this job. So any reminders such as salary range or when the candidates need to be submitted can be listed here, or any other details that you may want for yourself or for other recruiters to see on the job. The next field is our company reference area. This field can be used if your client has given you a specific company reference number or PO number, or if you have an internal numbering system that you would like to put on this job. The field over to the right is the contact role. This will be the job title of the contact on the job. Some people do like to see who they are working with, and if their job title is filled out inside their contact record, this contact role will automatically fill out once you create the job. The next field down is our location field. This is going to be the location on the job. If you create this job from the contact record, it will automatically fill out with the contact record's address that is sitting in their contact record. If that is not the location of the job, you can click on this down arrow here and see any addresses that are associated with the company and pick from this menu here. If for any reason the address is not located in Tracker, you can come in, take this address out, and type in the correct address for that job. The zip code location will fill out automatically if your location has been filled out. This field here will be copied over into your search, so when you're running a search for candidates, you can do an easy radius search without having to remember the zip code location. The territory will always be based on your database, and it can be changed if you have multiple territories by clicking in this area here. In the working folder field, you will see a link. This link can be shared with your clients if you would like to share resumes online instead of via email. The client will be able to log in, review the resume, and decide if they would like to move forward with that candidate. Going back over to the left, we're going to take a look at the reason for status field. This reason for status can be used for two different reasons. You can put a reasoning in on this job as to why it is open. Maybe somebody's on sick leave. Or you can use this field if you end up closing the job and not filling it. So a reason might be client filled internally. You can add to this drop-down menu if you click on this green plus, type in a new reason for status, and it will be part of that drop-down menu. The next field down is going to be our required skills. If you have set up skills in your system and there are required ones for this job, you'll want to click into this area here and add those required skills. Once you save the job and go to run a search, these skills will be automatically filled out inside the long list for you, so you do not have to remember them. The last field in our job profile section is number of positions. If you have a job where more than one candidate needs to fill the spot, you can up this number to as many candidates as you need to fill that job. Tracker is smart enough to keep this job at an offer pending or open state until you have that many candidates put into the working column on our shortlist.